Looking for the best pool pump without wasting money on the wrong kind of machine? Stay with me, because this list starts with models that only sort of fit the job and ends with the one that actually makes the most sense for real pool filtering. Coming in last place, this one is really more of a water removal helper than a true pool filter pump. It can move water quickly, but in this lineup, it feels more like a shop tool than a real pool system. What it does well is simple. You get automatic operation, a long cord, and strong drainage power, so it makes sense for pulling water off a pool cover or clearing standing water faster than many small utility pumps. The problem is that it does not actually handle pool filtration the way the higher-ranked options do. Compared with the true circulation pumps, and especially the sand filter system in this list, it is just not built to be the heart of your pool setup. I would look at this only if your main goal is draining, not filtering. And by the way, links to all the products in this review at the best price are in the description under the video. In fourth place, this one is another drainage first pump, but it feels a bit more polished and better documented. It is still not a real filter pump though, so it cannot climb higher than this. In everyday use, it gives you solid water removal power, decent solids handling, and the kind of simple drop-in operation that makes cleanup jobs easy. Compared with the AgiiMan, it feels a little more grounded and easier to trust on paper. Still, once you compare it with actual pool circulation pumps, the gap is obvious. It is great for removing water, but not for keeping pool water moving through a dedicated filtration system day after day. This is for people who need a practical drain pump for pool water, hot tubs, or flooded spots around the house. Before we move on, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. In third place, we finally reach a true pool pump. This one is built for pools and spas, and right away that puts it in a different league from the first two models. You get strong flow, a large debris basket, and a design aimed at quieter and cooler operation. Compared with the utility pumps, this is much more appropriate for real pool circulation, and it has the muscle for larger setups too. Where it gives ground is convenience. It is still only a pump, not a full filter package, and the 230-volt requirement makes it less plug-and-play than some buyers would like. That makes it powerful, but not the easiest all-around pick. This is a smart option for pool owners who already have filtration equipment and just need a serious circulation pump. But if you want more flexibility, the next one takes a step forward. In second place, this one feels like the strongest standalone pump in the group. It brings big flow, self-priming performance, and dual voltage flexibility, which is a nice advantage when setup options matter. I like that it is built for both in-ground and above-ground use, and the reinforced body gives it a more durable feel on paper. Compared with the XtremepowerUS, it offers more flexibility and even more verified flow, which is why it lands higher. The catch is the same basic one. It is still not a full filter pump system, so even though it is one of the most capable pumps here, it asks more from the buyer when it comes to pairing it with the right filtration hardware. This is the pick for someone who wants strong standalone pumping power and room to build a more customized setup. But for the best overall fit for this topic, there is one model that keeps things much simpler. In first place, this one wins because it actually matches the assignment better than anything else here. This is not just a pump, it is a real sand filter pump system, and that makes a huge difference. You get the filter tank, the valve functions, and the built-in timer all in one package. In my experience, that kind of all-in-one design is what makes pool ownership feel easier instead of turning into another weekend project. Compared with the big standalone pumps, it may not sound as powerful, but it is far more complete for actual filtration. Its limits are pretty straightforward. It is aimed at above-ground pools, and buyers looking for raw horsepower for custom in-ground systems may prefer one of the standalone pumps above. But for most people searching for a filter pump, this is exactly the point. So who should buy it? Anyone who wants a proper above-ground pool filtration setup without piecing everything together like a puzzle. And that complete approach is exactly why it takes the top spot. Check out the top picks using the links in the description under the video, and if this review helped you narrow things down, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple, straight-to-the-point gear reviews.